Hello everyone, this is my review of Tru Power Seltzer in the watermelon flavor, and I'm really impressed. This BCAA pre-workout drink combines the refreshing taste of watermelon with sparkling water, making it a delightful option for hydration. The natural caffeine content of 100 milligrams provides a gentle energy boost that's perfect for getting me ready for my workouts, without the crash that comes from many other energy drinks. What sets this drink apart is its clean ingredient list is vegan, gluten-free, and kosher, which makes it suitable for a wide range of dietary needs. I also appreciate that there are no added sugars, yet the watermelon flavor is surprisingly delicious and not overly sweet. It's refreshing without feeling heavy, making it an ideal choice before heading to the gym. If you're looking for a low-calorie drink that supports your workout, this is a pretty decent choice. I hope this review helps.